Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for shorts video, nagluto ako kahapon ng macaroni soup, or in Tagalog, sopas, and it was so amazing. It was so delicious, right? Lulu. Yeah, sarapan siya, day. So, very siya, very Jollibee style. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan siya. Merong corn, sweet corn, yung ang tawag dito, corned beef, and then the chicken. Ayan, the chicken. So, ayan siya. Very Jollibee style. So, walang cabbage, walang carrots, corn lang, and then the chicken breast, and then the and the magic sarap. Charot! So, ang sarap. Tara, kain tayo. Inuulam namin sa sa kanin. Para mabusog kami ng bongga, para yung busog namin hanggang 2 araw. Thank you for watching. Bye.